वेलकम बैक टू माई चैनल एवरीवन। सो आज हम बनाने वाले हैं बो हेयर एक्सेसरी। तो मैं उसके लिए यूज़ कर रही हूँ ये पर्पल वाला एक्रेलिक यार्न एंड अ वाइट यार्न, और मैं हुक यूज़ करूँगी 3mm वाला एंड अ सिजर। और स्टिक करने के लिए मैं ये सिंथेटिक फेविबॉन्ड का ग्लू यूज़ कर रही हूँ एंड दिस हेयर क्लिप्स। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। सो मेरा बेस कलर होने वाला है पर्पल। सो सबसे पहले हमें स्टार्ट करने के लिए बनाना है स्लिप नॉट। तो स्लिप नॉट बनाने के लिए तो फिंगर के अराउंड ऐसे क्रॉस में लाएंगे, वन फिंगर से टाइट करेंगे एंड पुल बैक। Here is your slip knot and we are going to work in it. So I have insert my hook in it. So we have to make 30 chains, 30 or more. 1 2 3 4 5. So मैं बताती हूँ चेन कैसे बनाना है. For to make the chain you have to do wrap the yarn and pull through, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through. एक बार स्लो मूव में देख लीजिए. yarn over, फिर हमें इसके पास से नीचे लाना ऐसे. Okay, now I will tell you about how to count your chains. So to count, you will have a shape like a braids while making the chain. So this is your first chain that you have made. One, you can count it by the side. So one, this is the slip knot, so we won't count it. So first 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. We have made 10 chains. 11 12 13 14 15. So I will meet you after making 40 chains. So here I have completed my 35 chains, as you can see. So we are going to make the size as per the head. So I will make few more chains like 45, 1, okay, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43 and 44, 45. Okay, you can see this is our chain. So we are going to do HDCs in every chain. Now I will show you how to make HDC. HDC means half double crochet. So we will skip, we will chain one and we will ignore it. Now we are going to do yarn over, skip this chain and insert a hook in this. You will be having 3 loops. Take yarn, pull back, yarn over and pull through all. So this is our first DC. So we are going to make DC in every chain. So we are going to make few more. Yarn over, insert a hook in that loop, yarn over, pull through all the loops, yarn over, back the yarn over, pull through all. So I will be meeting at my last chain. Okay, so you can see I have completed my whole DC here. So I'm going to make, this was our first round of making HDC. We are going to make more. We have to do increase here. For the increase, those who don't know, increase means increasing of one stitch. And how to increase? Chain 1, that will be your increase. Flip your work, yarn over, and don't work in these chains, you have to work in there. So yarn over, insert your hook in that first stitch, yarn over, pull through all, yarn over, insert your hook in that stitch, come back, yarn over and pull through all. So you can see your base should be the flat here. So I will meet you at the last. So here I have again completed my this much. This was our second round of completing HDC. So we are going to make 4 times it more. So I will meet you after completing 4 rows more. Means we have done first row, second row, third, fourth. Means 2 more rows to complete. So yeah, I will complete. If you want more broad, so you can do 3 more rows here. So I'm going to make 3 more. If you want a little bit thinner row, so you can make 2 more, and I will make 3 more. So yeah, I will complete it and meet you after that. And yeah, by the way, if you want any videos like this or any tutorial, you can comment freely. You are very free to comment it. So if you want any scrunchie tutorial or something else, so you can comment and I will get you the tutorial soon as possible. And yeah, don't forget to increase in every. So I was making my few last stitches of my third round. And if you like this video, please leave a heart in a comment, so let me know if you like. So if you have done, this is your base part. Now we will sew it. This we have our front like this bow, and let us sew it. First of all, we have to cut it down. So I'm using scissor to cut. You can use finger scissor too. I'm cutting it long because I have to sew it. So let me show you how to block it. Means you have cut the yarn and you have a piece like this. So yarn over, pull through, and just insert a hook like this and get it tight. Now we are going to sew it. So I have got my needles. So we are going to use the thicker one, as you can see. Okay, so take your yarn scrap and fold it. First of all, we are going to sew the ends which we have cut it down yet. So you sew. Let me show you how to do it. Get it at half. Take your needle. Take a point. Do it like this and take it out. Now sew it like this. If you got it tight like this, so you can pull it with one finger too. So we are going to sew it in this line. So we are going to cut it down. If you want to sew more, you can sew it, but I'm going to cut. No, we don't have to sew it. We will cut it because it has time, and we have made a slip knot here. Don't cut this part. You have to cut it here. Leave a little bit. So yeah, we have done. Now we are going to sew it like this. This will be our bow, means the upper part of the bow. So yeah, let's sew it too. You can if you don't have a needle, you can also use hook. So I'm going to use hook this time. And now I have got it sewed. Now we are going to cut the end part that looks dirty, and we are going to, you can flip it like this and cut the extra part to look more neat and beautiful. Just same as mine. So yeah, here is our front part that I'm gonna use. Now we can get it like this, and we will be having this result at the front. So yeah, you can also tie it with the yarn just like this, but this another look way. I'm going to sew it later with the end part. So let's start with the end part. So take your yarn, make a slip knot, take your hook and insert. And make 40 plus chains. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. You have to do same. I have make 42 chains plus 1 and ignore it. So we have to make DCs again in that chains. I have make 42. You can make less or more as per your size. You have made it earlier for the front part. So yeah, I'm going to make 4 rows total. So I will be meeting you. You have to do one increase. So I will be showing one row fully. So here I got the end of my first row. So I'm going to make 3 more. So we are going to do an increase at every round. For increase, do 1 chain and start again. So yeah, I have completed my both. So I'm gonna cut it down. Get it tight. If you wanna sew it, you can sew, but I have get it as much tight as it can. So I am not gonna sew it. I'm cut it directly. So now we are gonna have a good bow very soon. So take your yarn and just place it like this take this yarn at back as this much. Take your working yarn and get a trap at middle, so it will give you the shape of bow. Get it tight as much as you can because it will look prettier. This is a purple yarn, but in the camera it is looking like a blue, but no worries. So here is the back and here it is the front. So now we are gonna, you can also use it as a keychain, but we are making a hair clip, so we will use it like that only. The yarn you got left at first and the yarn you got it cut now. Get it as a knot at the back. And cut it down. So now if you have a clip like this, you can also use a black clip or a regular clip of this, so you can get it under this, or you can glue it too. So this is the temporary one, but I want it as a permanent, so I'm gonna get it glued. So I'm using Fevibond. You can use another glue, but don't use Fevicol or Fevikwik, because Fevikwik can burn it. And Fevicol doesn't get work on it. You can use also B7000. You will easily get it on Zepto or Blanket, or you will easily get it to your nearby shops. So I have placed the glue on this. Now I'm gonna place it on the up of my hair clip. And please make sure, if you have a Fevibond, please get it close as much as you can, because it gets dry earlier. So let it be dry and I will show you the final results. So if you want to make it more aesthetic and cute, you can add borders at here. So I'm gonna add it and show you how to add. To get my hairpin more beautiful and aesthetic, so I'm adding white color yarn. So first of all, make a slip knot. Insert your hook. I'm using same hook, and we are gonna work on these borders. So I'm gonna start with this. Work from the front part. Insert your hook with that white yarn over, come back from that loop. You will be having 2 loops, yarn over and get it. And so flip your work, chain 2, 1, 2, yarn over and get your hook in that same stitch and make 3 DCs in one chain. This was my first DC, second DC and third DC. So we are not counting your 2 chains as a DC, so we are going to make it on every side. So after doing this, chain 1 and get a slip stitch at another stitch, chain 2, yarn over, get it there. You will have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. You have first DC, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 and pull through 2, chain 1, get a slip stitch at further chain, chain 2 there and get 3 DCs at the same place. Second DC and third DC. DC means double crochet. So it will be looking like this at the front. You can also add pearls at here. So if you are using a light pink color to make your bow, so you can add a little blush at here and here. Because I'm using purple, so I cannot add, but yeah, you can also add if you are making with white or pink. So I will meet you after making these DCs at here. And this is what you have to do, this at this side too, or you can do this side also, in this side too, but don't make add this or this side. If you want to add beads and pearls, so use very small beads, white pearls. If my mind changes, so I can also add it and show it to you at the last. So thanks for watching and let me know how you like this tutorial.